Continuation class. జనరల్గా ఇక్కడ r into r plus 1 and q అనేది కామన్ టర్మ్ వస్తుంది. సో హియర్ p power r into r plus 1 into q is the common term. Q is the common term and we can write q square is the common term. So that is the 1 plus r plus 2 1 factorial r plus 2 1 factorial into q plus next r plus 3 and r plus 2 by 2 factorial into q square plus so on and we can write r into q by p, r into q by p, and finally we can write p power r and r into r plus 1 into q square 1 plus and r plus 2 is the r plus 2c 1 factorial r plus 2c1 into q plus and r plus 3 c2 and q square plus so on and r into q by p. This is going to be 1 minus x power r 1 minus x whole power minus r or minus n is the series is equal to p power r and r into r plus 1 into q square. This value is 1 minus q and minus r plus 1 and plus r cube by p, and 1 minus q is going to be 1 minus r plus 2 here. This term is going to be p అవుతుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ p power r and r into r plus 1 into q square and p power minus r plus 2 plus r into q by p, and then this term is p power r into r plus 1 into q square by p power r plus 2 plus r cube by p జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి డినామినేటర్లో వచ్చేస్తుంది. So generally p power r into r plus 1 into q square by p power r into p power square and plus r cube by p, and this value will cancel, r into r plus 1 into q square by p square plus q r into p generate అవుతుంది. r into p generate అవుతుంది. This is the mu 2 dash and mu 1 dash is equal to r cube by p. We want to find out variance mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. This is the formula of variance. Formula of variance. So mu2 is equal to, we can write r into r plus 1 into q square by p square plus r cube by p minus r cube by p whole square. R cube by p whole square. In this terminology, this term is mu2 is equal to r square plus r q square by p square generate అవుతుంది plus r cube by p minus r cube by p whole square generate అవుతుంది. అండ్ దీన్ని డివైడ్ చేసి రాసేసుకుంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈ టర్మ్ మనం ఇక్కడ డివైడ్ చేసి రాసేసుకుంటే r square q square and p square plus r into q square by p square minus r square q square and p square plus r cube by p generated. So this term and this term get cancelled. R cube square and p square plus r cube by p is the remaining term. And in this term we can common the r cube by p. R cube by p is the common term, and we can write the value q by p plus 1 and r cube by p, and LCM is p and q plus 1 q plus p and r cube by p, and here q plus p is equal to 1 and by p. Finally we get the variance. We get the variance is r cube by p square. Variance r cube by p square. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ r cube by p ఉంది, 1 by p ఉంది, and మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే r cube by p square జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. This is all about movements. Consider mean and variance. Note, mean and variance. Mean is r cube by p and is r cube by p square. R cube by p square, that means 1 is to 1 by p, 1 is 1 by p, and you can add p is to 1. The mean less than variance. జనరల్గా బెర్నూలీ బైనామియల్ పాయిసన్లో మీన్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ వేరియన్స్ ఉంటుంది. నెగటివ్ బైనామియల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఇస్ క్వైట్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది అనదర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్స్. మీన్ లెస్ దాన్ వేరియన్స్ ఉంటుంది, అంటే మీన్ కంటే వేరియన్సే ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. the negative binomial distribution mean less than and variance. Next, moment generating function of negative binomial distribution. Moment generating function of negative binomial distribution. Generally, the PMF of negative binomial distribution PMF of negative binomial distribution R comma P is given by P of x is equal to x plus r minus 1 c x p power r and q power x equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. 0 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1 and q equal to 1 minus p and q plus p is equal to 1. This is the function of a negative binomial distribution. And generally, you can consider the moment generating function is given by the moment generating function is given by mx of t is equal to expectation of e power tx is a function mx of t is equal to expectation of e power tx generate అవుతుంది. mx of t is equal to expectation of e power tx equal to summation x equal to 0 to infinity e power tx into p of x summation x equal to 0 to infinity e power tx into p of x అని అంటే x plus r minus 1 c and p power r and q power x summation x equal to 0 to infinity e power x plus r minus 1 cx and p power r q into e power t whole power x q into e power t whole power x గా రాసుకుంటే and p of r అనేది the constant term కాబట్టి out of the p of r summation x equal to 0 to infinity x plus r minus 1 cx and q into e power t whole power x గా రాస్తాం. Then we can apply the summation apply చేస్తే x equal to 0 నుంచి infinity వరకు అప్లై చేసుకుంటే p power r and we can write 0 plus r minus 1 c0 and q into e power t whole power 0 plus 1 plus r minus 1 c1 and q e power t whole power 1 plus 2 plus r minus 1 and c2 and q into e power t whole power 2 plus so on. RC R minus 1 C0 Q into e power t over power 0 is the one value. This value is going to be 1 p power r and 1 plus RC1 Q into e power t plus r plus 1 C2 and Q into e power t whole power square plus so on. Generally, this term is going to be 1 minus x whole power minus n. Series 1 minus x whole power minus n. That to be, we can write mx of t is equal to p power r and 1 minus q whole power 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus r is the moment generating function యొక్క formula. p power r into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r phase 1 అంటే ఇంకా ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. p into p power r and 1 minus q e power t and r కూడా ఇలా అయినా రాసుకోవచ్చు. mx of t moment generating function, and moment generating function we have to find out the moments generally mx of t is equal to p power r and 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus r, the moment generating function. Based on this function we have find out the moments. Consider mu1 dash is equal to d by dt mx of t and t equal to 0. First derivation of moment generating function. Moment generating function derivating with respect to t, that is mu1 dash is equal to d by dt of p power r and 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus r, d equal to 0. In this terminology p power r is the constant term. కాబట్టి p power r and d by dt of 1 minus q into e power t minus r and t equal to 0. And in this term you can write p power r minus r 1 minus q e power t whole power r minus 1. R minus 1 అంటే we can write minus r plus 1 గా రాసుకుంటాం, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇక్కడ minus of e power t, minus of e power t and t equal to 0. This is the first derivation part ఇది. అండ్ రెండు మైనస్లు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి there is a plus value అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి we can write p power r and r into q and 1 minus q into e power t and minus r plus 1 into e power t and t equal to 0. Then substitute t equal to 0. T equal to 0 substitution, you can write p power r and r cube, and this value is going to into 1 generate అవుతుంది. Finally p power r and r cube is the mu1 dash. P power r and r cube 1 minus e power 0 r minus plus 1 e power 0. Finally p power r and r cube 1 minus q and minus q plus minus r plus 1 is remaining term, and we can write p power r and r q and 1 minus q1 అంటే that is going to be p అవుతుంది, p power r minus r plus 1 అవుతుంది. Finally p power r into q and by we can write p power r plus 1 అవుతుంది, and we can write p power r into q by p power r into p power 1, p power r and p power r get cancel. Finally mu1 dash is equal to r q by p. Thank you. Variance next class లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం.